Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your earbud SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro from the application. So if we open the application, what called SOUNDPEATS, we cannot find a button to remove these earbuds from here. So what we should do? We should stop Bluetooth connection with a phone. How we can do it? We have a few options. The first one, we can go to the settings, connected devices. Right here you need to click the settings icon or information icon if you have iOS. And then you have two options, disconnect and unpair. If you tap at the disconnect, it will stop Bluetooth connection with your phone, but it will leave your earbuds at the device list. And if you use unpair, it will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now let's check it. So I just use disconnect, and if we return to the application, I guess we need to reopen the application. Yeah, as you can see, we have no devices here. Now let's reconnect it. And the second option, so yeah, you can use disconnect or unpair, or you can just put your earbuds to your case. But when you remove it from the case, it will reconnect, and you will have it in the application. Now let's check it. I just put it here. Now close it. And if I reopen the application, again, we have nothing here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.